boys and girls. This is another one of our March Madness books. This one is Bear Snores On. It's written by Karma Wilson and it's illustrated by Jane Chapman. This is in a series of bear books, and you might have remembered listening to Miss Police read Bear Says Thanks in November. And here we go. Bear Snores On. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter, sleeps a great big brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold wind howls and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse pitter-pat tiptoe creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark, so he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," says the hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps, hare burps big burps, but the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniffs, snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share." "I brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But Bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor, then a raven and a wren flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night, what a storm," twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons the stew. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear go achoo! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stops. Bear growls and he grumbles. He doesn't look very happy, does he? You've snuck into my lair. You've all had fun. But me, I was sleeping and I've had none. And he whimpers, and he moans, and he wails, and he groans. And the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see, we can pop more corn and we can brew more tea. Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight, then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. That was very cute, and that's the end of Bear Snores On. I hope you enjoyed this one of our books for March Madness.